told me stay, they told me settle down.
Build a life inside this quiet town. But something in my blood won't let me rest. I was born to chase, but can't be caught, I guess.
Oh, the night
It's calling out my name. Every star's a story, every sky's a flame. This is my calling, this is my flight. I'm chasing constellations through the dark,
following the fire.
of a dying spark.
Nothing's gonna hold me.
Nothing's gonna wait.
I was made for wonder.
I was made for fate.
I'm chasing constellations.
Wild and free, this is who I'm always meant to be. They drew me maps of roads I'd never take, said the safest pathway one to make. But I'd rather burn out reaching for the light than live forever hiding from the night.
Oh, the night
It's calling out my name. Every star's a story, every sky's a flame. This is my calling, this is my flight. I'm chasing constellations through the dark,
following the fire.
of a dying spark.
Nothing's gonna hold me.
Nothing's gonna wait.
I was made for wonder.
I was made for fate.
I'm chasing constellations.
Wild and free, this is who I'm always meant to be. So let the world spin on me without me here. I'll be among the stars, disappear. Told me stop my calling, stop my actions through the dark, following the fire of a dying spark. Nothing's gonna hold me, nothing's gonna wait. I was made for wonder, I was made for fate. Chasing constellation, wild and free. This is who I'm always meant to be.
Chasing constellations, forever free.